Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the position of back button on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu. And then here please scroll down and then you can select home screen option. Okay, after that press system navigation menu. And then to change the position of back button, you can simply press this button. Okay, and then the back button position on your device is successfully changed. That's the tutorial on how to change the position of back button on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.